How to take subscription of Amazon Prime. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can take subscription of Amazon Prime, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, taking subscription of Amazon Prime is very simple, and the easiest way to do it is to always open your browser, then go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I repeat, amazon.com/Amazon Prime, and log into the Amazon account where you want to get the Prime subscription. After you do that, you can see I'm already logged in. You'll find we're giving you free 30-day trials of Prime, so you can tap on the start your free 30-day trial option. For 30 days you will not get charged. Only if you want to continue the membership you'll start to get charged. So you can just go ahead and select the payment details such as a credit or debit card. Make sure to enter your login and your payment details. Once you've done that, tap on add and continue, and you'll have successfully bought Amazon Prime subscription. This way you can take subscription of Amazon Prime. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.